Hi traders, welcome back to my channel. So let's analyze what happened in Nifty today. Nifty yesterday closed at 11,765 and today it opened at 11,850. Positive start of 85.1 points. So based on yesterday's closing and structure, I had stated that Nifty is having a neutral view to slightest bullish. So today it was a gap up start. Based on the open price, I had put on Twitter saying, we have to refer the support level 11,798. If it is held, we could expect that the market will move on the higher side after consolidation. So if you see, some initial selling activity happened, and then some buyers came in, and then again selling activity happened, and then again slowly buyers try to push the market on the higher side. So based on the overall structure, we could say that both buyers and sellers were present in today's market. And looking at the close price, we can say that buyers control the market, and for tomorrow they're having an upper hand to push the market on the higher side. So today's high is 11,898 and low is 11,818. So range is 80 points. And as I said, for tomorrow's trade, buyers are having upper hand. And for tomorrow's trade, we'll have to monitor if 11,900 is broken, then buyers can push the market on the higher side, and anything below 11,846, you can see some weakness coming in. Slowly, once this particular the Friday's high is taken out, then you can expect the market to move on the lower side. Till then, there will be kind of consolidation, very small moves like. Okay, so let's move on to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty on Friday, it closed at 23,584 and today it opened at 23,895, a positive start of 310 points. So based on Friday's structure and the closing price, I had stated that buyers are having upper hand for today's trade. As soon as the market opened first 15 minutes, it just kind of small consolidation and market went up. Then came, you can say, this is kind of maybe profit booking. It was not a serious selling activity. So again, then buyers took the market on the higher side and closed it at almost at the DSI. So today's high is 24,409 and low is 23,786. The range is 623 points. Bank Nifty, there was a lot of activity. Buyers control the market and they pushed it on the higher side. So for tomorrow's trade also, buyers are having upper hand, and anything if it starts trading about 24,410, it will be easy for buyers to push it on the higher side. And anything below 24,135, somewhere here, you can see some, slowly the weakness will start. And anything below this level, here a lot of buying activities happen. So you can expect, this is kind of a support region for the buyers. And anything below this also, it will be slowly moving down. And once it takes out the Friday's high, you can expect some aggressive activity from the sellers to push it onto the lower side. So looking at the overall structures, buyers are having upper hand. Okay, let's move on to the second section, that is review and call shared on Telegram channel. First one was TCS, buy at 2779. It was not initiated. Second was Infrastel, buy call at 184.6. It got triggered here, then came down, stop loss it. So if you see a lot of selling activity happened and then it consolidated. So looking at the overall structure, kind of sellers are controlling and they have an upper hand. Okay, third stock which I had shortlisted was Motherson Sumi. It was a buy call at 107.8. The buy was triggered here and then it came down. Then slowly it started coming up. So it started consolidating here. So for tomorrow's trade also, if you see buyers are having upper hand, it can start moving on the high side, which start moving on this today's high. But today it is a stop loss hit. Okay, so the review of this is like here. So two stop loss hit and one TCS is the call was not triggered. So let's move on to the third section, that is shortlisted stock for next trading session. The first stock which I've shortlisted is Wipro. Wipro, started trading in the narrow range. Nothing much activity happened. So if you see, I think looking at the structure and the closing, you can see some buyers are having upper hand for tomorrow's trade. What we can expect is if Nifty starts taking takes out today's high, you can see some buying activity happening, but you can see some resistance somewhere at 350 to 355 region, and also at somewhere here also you can see. So it will not be easy for the buyers to push the market to the higher side. They might struggle a bit. Okay, a lot of selling activity has happened in the last couple of days, so those sellers will be active. If buyers are very aggressive, then it will be easy for them to take out, and whoever have sold in the this particular region, they will have to cover, and then they can see this particular stock move on the higher side very rapidly. And anything below this, you can expect this particular stock to weaken and go on the lower side. Okay, let's move on to the second stock, that is Cipla. Cipla, a lot of selling activities happened, and you can see it almost close to the day's low. So based on the overall structure and closing, we can say that sellers are controlling this particular stock, and if anything it starts trading below today's low, you can expose some more selling happening in tomorrow's trade. And I think if it starts trading above this level, maybe you can see some short covering. If people who have sold here aggressively, they'll try to book or try to cover their position, and you can expect this particular stock to move on the higher side. So overall, it is sellers are controlling this particular stock. So third stock which I've shortlisted is Aura Pharma. In Aura Pharma also the same thing, sellers are controlling, but sometime buyers were present. If you see like here, and here, totally 4 times sellers were present. You can see here buyers, but but still, if you look at the overall structure, a lot of selling happened, and it almost closed at the day's low. So you can expect the selling to continue if it starts trading below today's low, or in case if there is a sentiment change, if it starts trading above this particular swing high, you can expect the buyers to take this particular stock on the higher side. But overall, looking at the structure, sellers are having upper hand in this particular stock. So that's it from my side. Thanks for watching.